steal it. If the bridge is gap, I can see it through the curtains of the waterfall.
First Yacht incentive and Prospera.
Didn't understand you were waiting as I dove into the waterfall. So say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo. Moving way too fast and we crushed it, but it's in the past. We can make this break through the curtains of the waterfall.
This is our first yacht cruise incentive for our Prosperians, no? Yung mga nag-qualify, mga nag-commit sa amin, yung mga sumabay, yung nag-start kami at saka in-accomplish yung task na binibigay namin. So, ngayon, we have 30 qualifiers and by next, hopefully kasama na kayo, no? Mas marami tayo and not only na dito tayo sa Subic, doon na tayo, Asian cruise na tayo magyayat. Okay, so see you on our next yacht cruise.
Hi, good day. Today po yung ating first na yacht incentive program sa ating mga qualifiers. So this is just the first time. So definitely we will have the second, third, and succeeding incentive program. God bless you.
To all yacht qualifiers, no? Ito po yung experience na meron sila ngayon, di ba? Food, drinks, di ba? Unwind, and syempre enjoyment, no? Ito yung binibigay namin sa mga Prosperians na nag-qualify sa yacht cruise, di ba? Kasi may effort silang ginawa, di ba? Ibig sabihin, nag-qualify sila doon sa requirement na ginawa natin. And syempre, next cruise natin, marami pang mangyayari. Ito po maganda dito, no? Guys, as a leader, no? Ito maganda. Hataw ka lang. Gawin mo lang. Seryosohin mo lang. Buong pangarap mo. Dito sa Prospera Slogan, makukuha mo yan.
From ordinary days to unforgettable moments, ito ang bunga ng mga taong kumilos habang ang iba naghihintay pa. Mga ngiting tagumpay at rewards na hindi madaling makalimutan. Today, we celebrate memories, achievements, and people who chose to move. Because the biggest difference between dreams and reality is the courage to start. One decision can change the lifestyle you thought was impossible.